guys, welcome to our channel. You can see the lookup function in the Excel table. We will discuss how it will be work and how it will be used and helpful to using this table, the grading marks and marks and the percentage and the VLOOKUP using the VLOOKUP function to getting the grade of each student. You can see the complete table. The first, if I will change of each student subject marks, then automatically affect the total number, percentage and the grading. You can see if I will change the 48 marks into the 85, you can see the grade is and percentage automatically will change. If I will change the second student number, you can see that automatically the percentage will be change. How it will be make this table, uh, let let me start. Come with me. Let's start how to use this table. First of all, I entered the serial number. Second is student name. And further is subject. English, science, computer. After that, the total number of the subject which will be get each student, how it will be the total number which each student will get, the total number. After that, the percentage that each student will get after 400 each, 300 out of 400, the percentage formula. Then after that, last is the VLOOKUP functions they will use in this table. And the top of the mention the function name VLOOKUP function. I will bold this function and present table and coloring and highlighting the table and zoom in. That will be clear your picture. First of all, the serial number 1 2, the selected and drag down. If I randomly select the 6th student name, first of all I enter the student name, Harry, Peter, John, Alex, Randeep, Johnny. How it will be each student get marks in each subject. I've entered in the cell 50, 60, 85 and 90. Every student marks in the cell that will be it get it, and once is all the cells filled, then I will tell you the how it will be calculated in this table. every student marks in the mentioned in the cell. Uh, You can see all the marks in the mentioned in the cell and how it will be total. Select the cell using the formula. Some formula I will use in this function. First of all, the total number of marks each student is get it is equal to sum, bracket open, the number of marks which will be total in this column, enter. You can see the total number of the marks for each student total, and double click on the cell, the all the formula entered in all the cells. Select all the table and bordering, that will be present table. All the border is filled. How I will clear the formula in this function? The copy, this control C, the copy, and the right click, the special page, the click on the value and enter the, you can see the formula is it's given in the cell, the clear. Then after we will use a percentage formula in this function, the is equal to, select the raw, the giving the getted the number per each student, divided by out of 400, using the percentage formula, multiply by 100. You can see the percentage each student is given, the 71.25. The double click on the cell, the all the students percentage you can see. After that, how's the criteria which we grade? First of all, A, B, C, D, and F. First of all, 0, 60, 70, 80, and 90. 90 above grading is fixed. Select all the columns and mention on the criteria. And then grade. How the each student grade marks. I am using the Vlookup function, you can see in the table. First of all, the present table on the this column, you can I am using this Vlookup function in this table, is equal to Vlookup. First of all, the ask Vlookup value, which value? The percentage. The second is table error, which table error? The criteria and grades. I select the complete criteria and grades table area. The this function next is the column index number. This is very important column. Uh, the first and the second one is the column first, and this is the second column, which the grading column which required in the VLOOKUP function column. This is a 2. After that, they ask the one is the true and this false, the exact matching, which I requirement is the not which I entered in the zero, the it means true. Which I entered, if I entered in zero, that means the exact match thing which I required. If I enter one, it means the tentative number of the requirement. This is the range. I enter one and bracket close and enter the, you can see the grading. Each student, they click on this cell. I entered again the same formula. You can see the complete grading, uh, how each student is graded out of 400 and how is the number of students has grade in C and B and D. Thank you for watching this video and like this videos and subscribe this channel. We will meet up in the next video. Bye bye.